What's up, guys? So I got the motor mounts for the engine. We're gonna install it today and turn it on. All right, so these are from BMR Performance. This is a BMR Motorsports. So you get the hardware, 2 motor mounts. It's nicely packaged. Let's get to it.
And just so you guys can see, this is before the motor mount replacement. So it's sitting on that pulley.
All right, so we got the car jacked up. This is our first time taking a look underneath the car. Not bad. So here's the motor mount that's broken. Right there. All right, Miguel, what's the game plan?
Lifting it from the center right here by the transmission. Just putting like a piece of wood or something and just jacking it up just enough until we could get that engine mount replaced. Let's see if it works.
Let me go grab the jack. All that foot power. Watch it go up. Oh yeah. Is that enough?
A little bit more, like right there.
Look at that. Look where the alternator is now. We go grab toolbox.
Here, let me see. Now you can clearly see exactly where it broke.
Sounds like Danny. Is it Danny? It's Danny. I knew it was you. Yep. 15mm socket.
Extension for days, man.
Like 20 extensions on here. Okay, so we got the new motor mount. Just gotta tighten it up.
Alright, we just finished replacing the motor mount. The motor's off the pulley now. It's sitting where it should. We just connected the battery.
We're gonna start it for the first time. Okay, here we go. Dang, it sounds nice. Sounds great.
It actually doesn't sound as loud as...
Okay, so we turn it on for like 20 seconds because it doesn't have a radiator, but it turns on. Auto's nice. Thanks.